and we have all these crayons because we are going to melt them.
Yep.
And create new crayons out of it. So what you need are crayons, a muffin or cupcake pan, cupcake liners, like so, and a bowl, and we're gonna fill this with warm water. And ask an adult to use the oven, right?
Yep.
Because we're gonna bake these crayons to melt them.
Yes.
All right, so let's get started.
Yep.
So we're gonna put all the crayons in this bowl because we're actually going to pour warm water in it so that we can peel the wrapping off easily.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
But
so let's
still.
dump it. Okay, so we'll be back after we soak these in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay?
Let's do 5.
See you soon. All right, so we've been peeling our crayons. You see our peel pile right here. And we're putting the peeled ones on the tray here and letting them dry out a little bit. But we still have a lot to go, right?
Yeah.
But you see how since we soak them in warm water, we can peel them easily like this? It's so satisfying. And we're making them into little cupcake crayons, but you can get a mold, right?
Yep.
Any type of silicone mold or something like that, and then melt the crayons in there too. And Art Along Friends, we are using some of our old crayons for this, but this is really good for upcycling broken crayons. Are you sorting those colors so that you can put those colors into the different cupcake liners
Yep.
when we're ready? Yeah. And you want to show them one of our finished products?
Yep. So we made some samples so we can show you just to test out if it actually works.
Yeah.
So this is one of them. I put a shell in here, and it's gonna turn out like this if you use the cupcake liner that we're using.
Yeah.
And this is the sides, and then the bottom is really pretty.
Cool. This is a really cool craft to do if you're bored at home in the summer. Or for like a Christmas present or Valentine's Day present for friends, right?
Yep.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Opera. The Opera House. The Sydney Opera House.
Yes. Hey, how do you know about the Sydney Opera House?
It's in Finding Dory.
Oh, yeah.
P. Sherman 42, Sydney.
P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
Yes.
That's
Sure to
Finding Nemo. We did draw Destiny from Finding Dory. Remember that book?
No.
The Day the Crayons Quit? That book is a good book, right?
Yeah. That book is a hit.
I like that series. Okay, Art Along Friends, another thing to note is be sure to use bowls and cupcake pans that you know are old and maybe your moms or dads don't want to use anymore for cooking. Right?
Yeah.
Now we're going to snap the crayons and put them into the cupcake liners, right?
I already snapped a few.
Ooh, nice. Okay.
This is mine. Do not take mine.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn this around a little bit so that we
Here's my
can
stack.
reach these. Should I line these?
Yeah, line it.
So snap your crayons and make them small so that they can melt faster in the oven. And do you want to tell the friends, our Art Along friends, what the oven temperature should be?
275.
Yeah, oven temperature is 275, and we're gonna bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes, right?
Yep.
Awesome. And we're just picking out colors that we think will look great together. They're all gonna turn into this like swirl of color.
We did it!
Yeah! All right, all our cupcake liners are filled with crayons. So now we're going to pop this in the oven. Be sure to ask an adult for help for that piece. And what's the temperature again?
275.
Yep, 275 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll be back soon.
Bye.
All right, friends, here it is. Whoa. So this one, we actually melted a metallic crayon, right?
Yeah, and it looks so cool.
Look at those sparkles inside of it. So the crayons are out of the oven. We baked them at 275 for just about 13 minutes. And the baking duration will be different based on how big your crayon pieces are and what type of crayons they are, I guess. Now we have to wait for them to cool down. And once they're cool, we can take the cupcake liners off of it and then package it up for gifting. So we're gonna wait another 30 or so minutes, and we might even stick them in the fridge for fast cooling.
Yeah.
I'm putting this in the fridge. See you soon. And we're back with hardened crayons. Okay.
Let's take them out.
Yeah, let's take them out.
Oh my gosh, mine is falling straight off.
Ooh, yeah, now that they're
Oh
hard.
my gosh!
Oh, that's so pretty.
Oh my
I love that color.
Oh my gosh!
Ooh, look at these.
Pretty.
There you have it, art along friends. Look at these.
Those are really pretty.
Yeah. Okay, let's take out all of these and then we'll set it on the table. They're like Reese's peanut butter cups. But don't eat them, art along friends.
Yeah. Or else you're gonna get a stomachache.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this. This is almost like half.
This point is so sharp.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there it is, art along friends. Melted crayons. Melted crayons. Okay, show your galaxy one. Can they see the glitter on them? Yeah.
There's a little glitter. Can you see that?
Yeah. Cool. Well, hope you try this craft, art along friends. It was super fun, and now we're gonna gift these to the neighbors, right?
Yeah, maybe even sell them.
See you next time.
Like and subscribe to Artlong for another video like this one. Bye!